One great example that comes to mind is what we did with a very large high-tech company out of the West Coast, that they were trying to automate a bunch of processes globally, right? So they had a European business, American business, Asia-Pac business. And really, kind of how do you drive that operational excellence across the board when you have these disparate systems, different CRMs, different ERPs, different data sources, data silos everywhere, three different regions not work on the same platforms and systems. We started with analyzing their parts, their pricing, their discounting models. They were, doing both direct to consumer as well as through dealership and partners. We analyzed every bit of data from what is their growth and demand model, how are they working with their partners, how many partners, and how do we solve for this multi-level selling process, multi-level discounting process, multi-level operational process on both the sales and the service side. And how do you make these partners and dealers successful? Like, how do you make sure that they're getting timely responses, they're getting timely. And we analyzed everything through data, like what's the time to ship a product? How long does it take to get discounting right so you can approve a quote that can actually go hit the customer? So we went through this deep data analytics of multiple sources of data, from CRM to ERP to their warehouses, like what's in the warehouse, what's not. We pull all the data together into like one process, and we eliminated any approaches to like thinking there are different variations of these processes in different regions. We created a very unique single DNA in terms of how data is generated, how data is reviewed, how insights are created, how decisions are made. And we kind of created these offshoots of like, maybe there is an extended process that's like unique to a certain size of the customer or certain type of customer that needs extra complexity in their quoting and the sales process. So we went through all that. And ultimately, we're able to, within a very short period, provide a blueprint of how they would eliminate all the inefficiencies within their systems, inefficiencies within their processes, and align everything on one platform globally, right? So we're able to bring in one platform, one data source, one silo that allows better cross-functional collaboration between their IT organization and sales organization, between their marketing organization and sales organization, because everybody's seeing the same data source. And also, we automated using advanced insights on how to automate your discounting process, how to automate your discount approvals, at a bunch of different, call it finer points of approvals that allowed people to like run the business faster, run the business better, make decisions faster. So this was a huge success story for Argano and our client, that they were able to go 3x the sales opportunities funnel within their platforms, 4x the quote approvals. And this was a huge win for everybody, right, across the board.